2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Erin. Happy birthday to you.
Blow out the candles.
Can you blow? Another one.
Good job!
Now I like to eat the eyes.
Is that a nice cake?
What kind of cake is it?
Wow!
What kind of cake is it, baby?
It's a frog.
It's a frog
I like
cake.
the eyes, please. I like an eye. The eyes,
Ribbit.
please.
Froggy?
Like the eyes, please.
Froggy?
Like the eye. Like the eye.
You would like to eat the eyes?
Eyes, yes. Eat eyes.
That's a bit silly, don't you think?
That's a super cake.
Yeah.
I like to eat
Yes, it is.
eyes.
Ryan, can you say happy birthday to your sister?
Happy birthday, Erin. Happy birthday, Ryan.
No?
No, to Erin.
Erin.
It's your day.
Yay.
Your birthday.
Should we eat it?
Oh, that's my frog.
That is your frog.
Frog, yes.
I like to eat one.
Are you ready?
Oh,
Shall we eat?
Yes.
Okay.
I like